What is time? For 100 years, Citizen has made watches that seek to answer that question. Citizen has created many industry firsts since it was founded in 1918. But we don't live in our past glories. Our sights are firmly set forward. We believe in making watches that people everywhere will love. It's about more than making high-specification timepieces. It's about tackling an endless series of challenges to provide the world with something better. We are the citizens, the people who believe that time is not measured in seconds, but in steps forward. We see the world as a work in progress, a place to be improved. If time never stops, why should we? We're heading for better.